How to block website in Chrome on Android. Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin, open the Chrome on your device and tap on the search bar and type in mynextdns.io. Once you are there, slide the menu to the left until you see the Denied List option and click on it. This is where you will enter the website you want to block. Now enter the website in the box. Once you have entered it, you should see confirmation that the block is now active. Next, go back to the Setup tab and scroll down until you find your DNS address. This address will be applied to your device, so copy it. Now open your phone settings and search for private DNS. Tap on the private DNS from the search result. If it's currently turned off, switch to private DNS provider hostname. In the hostname field, delete any existing text. Then paste the DNS address you copied from the next DNS site and hit save to apply. Finally, head back to your browser and try opening the website you just blocked. Finally, you should see a message saying this site cannot be reached. There you go. I hope this video helped.